Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you platform at which you can make cool and instant profit exchanging dollar for naira. Alright, and all that is required of you is just to have a naira card, create an account with this platform, and finally have a Binance account. So a while ago I did a video on how you can do dollar arbitrage using TransferWise, but since then they stopped accepting funding from Nigeria. But that doesn't mean the rest of this platform is not going to work. They're going to work. Some is going to make you high profit, while some is going to make you low profit. But the most important thing you need is to have your naira card. Okay, so once you have your naira card, you'll be able to make instant profit using this platform. Alright, so if this is something you like to do, if you like to make money exchanging dollar for naira on this platform, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, please like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. The most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so first on the list is Advcash, and Advcash is one of the payment gateway that is approved on Binance. So you can easily fund your Advcash account and use the money in your account to buy crypto directly on Binance. So this is how it works, and this is how you make profit with Advcash. So once you've created your account, you're going to need to link your account with Binance. So if you don't know how to do that, I did a video on how you can easily create your Advcash account, then link it directly with Binance. So I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around there, so you can just click the link, watch the video, and see how you can set up your Advcash account. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on deposit. Alright, so from here you'll be able to deposit funds in your Advcash account. So you can either use your Visa card or your MasterCard. Alright, so once you have the funds deposited on Advcash, what you want to do next is you want to use the funds to buy crypto on Binance. Okay, so by clicking on buy crypto here, you'll be able to buy crypto from your Advcash account, then save it directly on Binance. So once you have the crypto in your Binance account, you can now sell them on Binance P2P trading. So your profit is going to be how much your naira card, your naira bank charge you for the deposit. So if your bank charge you 470 or 480 per dollar on your Advcash deposit, then the profit is going to be how much your bank charge you minus how much you sell the coin on Binance P2P trading. So take for example, you are able to sell the coin on Binance for 550 or 570. So your profit is going to be 570 minus 470 that your bank charge you for the deposit. So this is how you make profit with Advcash dollar arbitrage using the Binance platform. So as you can see now, Paybiz is another platform that you can use to buy crypto at a low price, then sell it on Binance with a black market exchange rate. So looking at Paybiz now, you can either use any of the available options to top up your account. So as you can see from here, now you can either use Skrill, you can use Neteller, and you can also use your normal naira card. But have in mind that not all cards work on this platform, so you should be willing to test several cards. So the one that works for you is what you're going to be using on this platform. So what you want to do is that you want to top up your account with your naira card. So how much they charge you is going to determine how much profit you're going to make when you sell it on Binance. So let's say you top up your account with $100 and we are able to charge you 47,000 naira or 48,000 naira for that $100. So when you transfer the money to your Binance account, because this is how it works, you top up your card, then you select the coin you want to buy here. So take for example, this is the coin you want to buy. You have to copy the wallet address on Binance of the coin you are buying. So copy the wallet address of the coin you are buying, paste it on Paybiz, and once the purchase is successful, they are going to transfer the coin to your wallet address. So once you have the coin on Binance, what you want to do is you want to exchange it, or you want to convert it to USDT. So once you have the funds in USDT, you want to go to P2P trading, and once you go to P2P trading, you want to sell the fund. So as you can see now, this is the current price they are selling funds on Binance. So you can either buy it for, take for example, 48 naira per 480 naira per dollar, and sell it for 554 naira per dollar here. All right, so this is pretty much it works. All right, so this is how you can easily use Paybiz to buy low and sell high on Binance. Alright guys, so PYPL is another platform that you can use to buy crypto at a low rate, then sell high on Binance using the black market exchange rate. So the whole idea behind PYPL is that you need to download the app. Once you've downloaded the app on your mobile phone, you want to create an account to verify your account. And once your account is verified, you want to top up the app. Okay, so having top up the app, I think the last I did, I think the card we used is GT Bank. Okay, so get your GT Bank MasterCard and use it to top up the app. So once you have the funds in the app, you want to go over to a platform like crypto.com. Okay, so you want to create an account with them, verify your account, then use the PYPL virtual card to buy crypto on crypto.com. So once you've bought the crypto, you want to send it over to Binance. Okay, so on getting to Binance, you can now move the funds to your P2P trading. So from there, you can now sell the crypto at the dollar exchange rate. Okay, so if you are able to top up your PYPL account at a low rate, so you selling on Binance is going to be around 559 per dollar. Okay, so this is how you make the profit. You top up your account at a low fee, then sell at a high fee on Binance exchange rate. All right, so this is the whole idea behind then PYPL, then buy on crypto, then send back to Binance and make your profit. So Skrill is another platform that you can use to buy crypto seamlessly, then sell at a high rate on Binance. All right. So what you want to do when it comes to Skrill is you want to create an account with them. You want to verify your account. So once your account is verified, you want to top up your account. So like I said earlier, not all cards work on this platform. So you want to try as many cards as possible. So the one that works for you is what you're going to be using, because there has been instances whereby I use UBA MasterCard to fund a particular platform, then my friend used it to fund the same platform and didn't work for him. All right, so just try and use several cards. So the one that worked for you is what you're going to be using. So once you have your Skrill account verified and you successfully topped of the account, what you want to do now is you want to head over to Binance. Okay, so when you head over to Binance, you're going to go over to the P2P trading. So on getting to the P2P trading, what you want to do is you want to come to Fiat here. Okay, so once you come to Fiat, you want to change it to USD. All right, so this is USD. You're going to change it to USD. Then after that, you want to come to payment. All right, so by coming to payment here, you'll be able to change it to Skrill. Okay, so having do that is going to list out the sellers that are willing to sell their USDT with Skrill. So you can just pay them directly from your Skrill account. Now, but the downside to this is that if you check their limit, most of them are not willing to sell at a low rate. I think the limit for most of them is around $200. All right. All right, so as you can see now, the limit for these people is around $200, and the last time I checked, the monthly cap on our card is around $100. So this might not be able to work for you. All right, so what you want to do instead now is to go to Paybiz. I talked about Paybiz earlier. So if you click on the card area here, you see the option of Skrill. So you can actually top up your Skrill account, then use it to buy coin on Paybiz using the Skrill method here. So once you've done that, you're going to have the funds sent to your Binance account. So from your Binance account, you can now sell it for Naira on the P2P exchange rate. All right, so this is basically how you can use Skrill, and Skrill is one of the best way you can make good profit when it comes to dollar arbitrage. All right. Alright guys, so Eversend is another platform you want to look into, and the thing with Eversend is that it's one of the easiest platform that you can use to do dollar arbitrage. Okay, it's very easy to top up, and you can also withdraw your money back to your Naira account inside the same platform. So unlike the rest I've been talking about, you need to buy crypto, then send the crypto to your Binance account, then sell the crypto for Naira on your Binance account. But when it comes to Eversend, it's actually different. Okay, what you want to do with Eversend is you want to create an account with them. Once you created your account with them, you want to add your Naira account on the platform. Okay, so once you add your Naira account on the platform, you want to top up the platform. Okay, so once you top up the platform, they are going to charge you low. Take for example, you want to top up like $100, they can charge you for that $100 around 47 to 48,000 naira. Okay, so once you want to withdraw the money back to your Naira account, they are going to exchange it for you at the dollar black market exchange price. All right, so you can actually top up the platform at a low price, then sell, then withdraw back to your Naira card, then withdraw back to your Naira account at the dollar black market rate. Okay, so this is how you make profit on Eversend. So you don't have to use any third party website to transact your money on the platform. Everything you're going to be doing is inside the website. Okay, you just need to top up your account. Once you've top up your account in dollar, now withdraw the dollar back to your Naira account. So it's as easy as that. So finally, the platform I'm going to be talking about is CXio, which is CEX.io. So using this platform is actually straightforward. All you simply need to do, like the rest, is create an account with them, then choose USD to deposit on the platform. So once you deposit on the platform, you want to use your USDT to buy any crypto you want to buy. So once you've gotten the crypto you want to buy, you want to send it over to Binance. So get it to Binance, you want to transfer it to your P2P trading, and from your P2P trading, sell it for Naira. So your profit is going to be how much you deposit, how much your bank charge you when you deposit money on CX.io, and how much you make when you sell it on Binance P2P trading. But one thing I should add is whenever you are trying to top up any of this platform, don't put $100 exactly, because this people is going to add charges to it, and when you are putting $100 plus the charges is going to be more than the monthly cap, and it's going to be more than the dollar monthly cap. So you should put around $96. So if you put around $96 with the charges, everything should amount to around 97 or 98, depending on the charges the platform you are using is going to charge you. All right, so these are the platform you can use to leverage dollar arbitrage and make profit instantly when you are buying crypto at a cheap price, then sell high on Binance. So like I said earlier, I said not all cards work. Okay, so you should be willing to try several cards. So try and get as many cards as possible. But currently the cards that I know that do well is Zenith Mastercard, Polaris Bank, Stanbic Mastercard, UBA Mastercard. So these cards work very well for me. So if you have additional cards, you can also test them. So the one that works for you is what you should be doing. All right, so this is basically everything about the dollar arbitrage platform and how you can make profit buying and selling. All right, so thank you for watching, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.